Yo, what's up, guys? So, today I want to take you through how I lost this trade. Because, as you know, we do trade, not that we do trade, I do trade support and resistance plus liquidity, either liquidity sweep or anywhere there is liquidity. So, I took a couple of losses yesterday, Nasdaq, US oil, and was it GBP USD? Yeah, but it was the same case with gold because this is the example I want to give you when you're trading support and resistance plus liquidity. What happened was after the price, I always wait because I also trade with session highs and lows. I always wait for price to come and I trade in London session because I don't trade in Asian session. What happened is after drawing my previous day highs and lows, I then go into wait for Asian session to close and I wait what the reaction from the London session. So I waited for price to sweep the what? The Asian highs because I didn't expect it to sweep the Asian lows. Technically, it was going up and I wanted to short this price. So, what I realized is the price after sweeping Asian highs, it swept it with a high momentum candle. So, later then, there was this liquidity around here. I expected it to sweep this one and maybe reverse, but like enough, it swept it with a what? It was maybe like a fake out. It swept it with a high momentum candle. And I entered on this bearish candle, if you can see it over here. That one. So what I didn't realize is maybe I was just watching this 15 minute only, just here, the entire thing. I didn't mark out this point here. Let us go in 30 minutes. I didn't mark out this point here. Where is it? I didn't mark out this one here because there was liquidity here, this one. So I didn't mark it out so that I could at least put my stop loss a bit higher. Because whenever you're trading support and resistance plus liquidity, expect a price to go at least to pick another liquidity so that it can fuel the move you want to take or to fuel the opposite direction you're going to take because it gives you a high probability. However, I didn't realize that because I was just watching only 15 minutes and a loss is a loss. So you shouldn't care about why and what. What you have to care about most is to improve your skills of trading, and it's what I'm trying to do. And every day, even if you're profitable, even if you're unprofitable, whatever the case is, you have to grow. You grow by progress. You grow by losses, and in losses, that's where you shape your trading skills or anything you're doing in life. If you do not make losses, you do not reflect on what could happen in nearby future. So always embrace what losses. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys. It's a simple strategy. Trading is very hard, however, you have to figure it out. You'll be taught by a mentor, you'll be taught by any good person, but everything else, the psychology, the word, the art, and whatsoever that goes on with it, it is you to teach yourself. You understand, guys? So technically, this is how this loss was taken, and I was glad that I lost this. I lost this trade, and I had to journal it down. But I think when you're trading liquidity, support and resistance, you have to be mindful about the lying liquidity in the areas whereby you're not seeing. You have to the your stop loss. Anyway, it depends on your risk management. But if you can maximize your stop loss, at least you have high chances of what making some good money out of it. Cause yeah, however, this was news yesterday. There was NFP, but still, this was the move. It had to, because there was a liquidity here and there, and I expected it at least to come and trip this. When the big boys step in, the London guys, the Cinch and New York session guys, when the big boys steps in, you have to expect them to at least to manipulate and do whatever they want with the market. So they are the big guys. What should we say? Anyway, that's how this loss came into. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe. Yeah.